greetings to fans. It's great to have the Rally Estonia now, and enjoy your time and be safe.
Yeah, for everyone visiting Rally Estonia, enjoy it, be safe, and yeah, have a great time.
Yeah, it's great feeling. Great to be back in the car and having first test for 1.5 years on the gravel. So I've been enjoying a lot, and yeah, even we had 3 split days with the Gus. Still we've been able to have good amount of the test mileage and able to take some step forward with the car. But the question is always like how much the others are improving from the last year. Yeah, big jumps, fast roads, and here it's been extremely tight to fight in the top, and drivers are like trying to take second there and second there, but it's been always really tight here. But yeah, we have to be really confident from the beginning and try to beat there and have good fight on the rally, and hopefully we can do a bit better than last year. Yeah, hopefully yes. Normally Rally Estonia is not very rough for the car, so we don't expect to have like retirements as in Kenya. But yeah, we have to focus on our own and try to do the job as well as we can. No niin, nyt ollaan testattu 3 puolikasta päivää ja ihan hyvä fiilis autossa saatu. Että vähän tuntuu, että ollaan menty eteenpäin siinä, mutta tietysti kysymysmerkki on kuinka paljon muut kehittyy ja mikä vauhti tulee oikeasti olemaan kisassa. Mutta hieno olla ajaa testiä ja keskittyy omaan ajamiseen ja keskittyy myös siihen omaan juttuun, että pääsee kehittämään kerrankin itteensäkin ajan kanssa.
It's the third day. Me and Teemu have been sharing some tests, so it's going well so far. Last year this wasn't a good rally for us, and the high-speed events weren't really suiting the cars, so we knew that there's a lot to improve on. So yeah, we've had a Riger here helping with the dampers, and we feel like we made some good steps forward. Car feels a lot better, a lot easier to drive at the high speed, and a lot more efficiently. So feels better, but we won't really know until the rally. Yeah, no, it's been better. Obviously, Monaco was horrific, and then started getting progressively better, and then we got Chris in the car and taught me some things to kind of work on, and we've focused on them since then. And yeah, the pace has got better, but now it's getting to the point where we're getting these results a lot of the time on pace. But obviously Kenya was a different challenge. It was about being smart and trying to stay out of the problems, and we did, so it was good. Yes, yeah, no, Chris, that's the main reason we had him in the car, was to help me, because I felt like I was doing the right things, but wasn't really in the end, and it wasn't making the progress I wanted to. So Chris told me to take a step back and focus on a few other areas. We've done that, and ever since then, yeah, it's been going much better. So far they seem to be working good. This time it will be better because the soft is going to be the primary option, so we don't have to use only 8 tyres over the entire rally, which is very helpful. So yeah, we can have a bit more grip, but we're kind of learning that maybe the hard tyres could be used as well, but for sure the softs are offering quite a lot more grip. No. As long as my ribs are a bit better for the rally, I'm sure everything will be flat. Me and Teemu usually text each other and say which is the flat, which of the jumps which aren't flat, but I think last time it was only one, so let's see how it goes. I mean, a podium would be lovely, but I think looking at our performances on fast rallies over the past years, we're not quite where we want to be, not quite as fast, but if we can make a good step forward from last year, that would be good. But yeah, for sure, the aim for every rally for me is to be in the top 5.